Hello all, welcome back, and in this video I just want to show you where our web application is hosted, the secure A9 secure LMS is hosted, and also I want to give you brief overview about our hosting and what is a cPanel and what are the different security features that we have employed to secure our web application. So basically this is our hosting, where we hosted our web application. So this is called platform as a service. So for indication, and we are our primary domain is Jayaduri, and we are hosting it on Linux server, and it's a shared hosting plan, and this is all the IP address and what is the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server. So basically we have deployed to increase the performance of our website. We use CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. So here we can see the edge caching. So basically where you want to catch your website, global caching. So there are different options are there. You can see the web optimization in order to optimize your web application. And suppose if you want to block any visitors from around the world, you can just click on the block visitors and you can block the certain visitors, and you can see the statistics, like you can able to monitor the traffic to your site, and you can see how many people are coming and what is the bandwidth and how many hits, and how many SSL hits, secure socket layer hits, and what is the geographic distribution. Just give it a moment since it's loading, because it's on the shared hosting plan. It's going to take some time. Hopefully it should come back. So till the time, let me go ahead and let me show the even the admin portal overview. This is our web application, and here you can see what are the features that you enabled, in class, in app live class resolution. This is in the from the portal. You can able to configure the video collaboration, where the student can meet with the instructor, and what are its different settings, and what kind of API you're using, and what are the Chrome settings, what is the drip content settings. Drip content is nothing but where you are able to making sure that the student is completing the prerequisites before attempting the next module. So assignments mode, and there's a private mode is there, and if you enable this feature, you can able to restrict your website content for not logged in users. And also we have the admin approval for the content access. So if you want to enable the admin approval, so basically admin has to approve before the content is published. And the course forum is nothing but the discussion forum where the students can discuss and the instructors can answer their queries, or instructors can put some kind of discussion topic where the students can able to discuss those kind of topics. So let me go ahead and see the statistics. You can see here how much is the bandwidth and how much is the total hits, and what are the, like you can see the total hits, cached hits is nothing but the whatever the content is that is already saved, so that it can increase the performance of your website, because it doesn't has to go to the server to get the content directly. And bandwidth versus hits, and SSL hits versus non-SSL hits, and HTML successful request versus error request. So these are the different statistics for this for your hosting. So let me go back to the client area. Okay, and because since okay, let me just click on the manage. Yeah. So web optimization, if you want to block visitors from certain the world, you can able to distribute the traffic with the help of load balancer, and also you can enable the security headers. And what are the web files, like you can see the file manager, and what are the FTP file transfer protocol accounts. And if you want to backup or restore any of the website content, you can use the backup, restore, and file permissions. And in order to maintain the integrity of the code of the website, we use the git version control. And this is all the email settings. If you want to add any kind of emails, or if you want to associate, if you want to create any test email accounts, you can use this one. And as you know, our website is based on the total Laravel framework. You can see the PHP admin, MySQL databases, and you can able to check, and you can able to do the cron jobs. You can generate the site maps, so a lot of things. And here you can manage the domains. The domains are nothing but your website URLs, and also the subdomains. If you want to manage the multi-domain settings, you can use the subdomains. And if you want to configure the DNS settings, domain name server settings, you can just configure this one. And this is a SSH access. SSH access access is nothing but secure shell access, and this is a hot link protection and secure socket layer, password protection, directory indexing, and this is also malware scan. So logs and statistics, so we have the AWS stats and web analyzer and access error logs and the bandwidth usage. So this is like a statistics and the monitoring tool, and how many logs have been collected. And suppose if your website is not running properly, you can just come back and check the access and the error logs files in order to find out the root cause of that issue. So basically these are all the different settings that is there, and there are few more settings like here you can manage the security of your website web portal by basically allowing how many allowed devices that you want to enable on this portal, and this is a captcha settings security, and this is the admin panel. So these are the few niches and different kinds of settings that you can able to enable. So we have combined both the in portal features, that is which we developed, and we are using the hosting features like but where we are hosting our website, and what is the cPanel offering, and how do you enable to make sure that like overall security is inbuilt into your website. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you got a basic understanding on how the website can be deployed, and what are the default cPanel settings, and what are the different security options that we have enabled on this web application. Have a nice day, guys. Take care.